So this is Leh Manali Delhi bus. It's morning around 3:31. It departures from Leh at exactly 4 a.m. So let us go. We have already booked tickets yesterday. Sunny 4, 5, 6. Are they correct? Number ticket you ticket.
I am asking
4,
my
5, 6
son
front seats.
to sit on the seats allotted. The seat numbers which were allotted yesterday for us to travel
7,
today
8, 9 kada.
are
10, 11. So कुछ sleep port को.
so we booked 3 seaters in this bus starting from Leh to Keelong and then Manali and to Delhi.
So we are waiting for the bus. In the previous video you have seen I have made my son to board the bus in the bus stand, Leh bus stand, and we are now near KV staff quarters and we are waiting for the bus, and the bus already departed from the Leh bus stand. It is around 6 a.m. We are waiting, maybe within 5 minutes the bus may come to this place. And if you want to travel from Leh to Delhi by this by road and by this bus, then one day before you have to go to the bus stand, Leh bus stand, and you have to book the tickets from the HRTC bus driver. Tickets will not be issued by the Jammu or Kashmir or Leh Ladakh depot clerk, or it is not in the booking counter. You will not get the tickets in the booking counter. You have to go to the bus driver, HRTC bus driver, one day before the journey, and you have to book the tickets. From Leh to Delhi, the direct bus is there, but it is actually 2 buses. From Leh to Keelong, they will give you the ticket, and from Keelong again you have to purchase the ticket and you have to travel to Delhi. But the board says that the direct bus Leh to Delhi, but it is not like direct bus. So from Keelong to from Leh to Keelong one bus, and from Keelong to Delhi is a deluxe bus. From Leh to Keelong they charged 2010 rupees for 3 tickets, so I suppose it is around 650 or 700 rupees. And from Keelong to Delhi they will charge again maybe around 1000 or 1100 rupees, and it's a non-stop journey from Leh to Delhi. Like morning around not around exactly 4 a.m. the bus departures from the Leh bus stand, and it will reach Keelong by 6:30 or 7 p.m. in the evening. And from Keelong again we have to catch the bus and we have to go to Delhi. Next day maybe afternoon 11 or 11:30 will reach the Delhi. So we are waiting for the bus now. So the buses are coming. 2 buses are coming. 1 bus we have to catch. So the buses are coming. So first bus we should not board. Second bus we have to board. My son already called me and told me. So this is the bus which goes to some other place via this route, and we have to go by this bus. So this is the bus which is coming. We have to board the bus. So this bus will take us from Manali, Leh to Keelong, and then we have to board the bus. Now let us go. Sunny. The bus stopped at Upsi. We crossed Kharu, and from here it is Leh 47 kilometers. So the bus stopped here, and this is the route. If you go towards right side, then we'll go to Manali. From here, Manali, it is 424 kilometers, and if you go this side, we'll go to Chumatang. Already have shown in one video from this place to Chumatang. So we are heading towards Manali, which is for 425 kilometers away from this place, and Chandigarh is 674 kilometers, and there is no signboard for Delhi. But this bus is a connecting bus from Keelong to Delhi. So we stopped near Upsi. So this side, if you go, we'll go to Manali, Keelong, Manali, Delhi. And if you go towards my back side, this side behind, then we'll go to Chumatang. So we are in Upsi. Tipu 108 సార్లు లేపు 108 సార్లు. చాలు बस जर्नी करने के लिए 1 साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं.
अच्छा तो आपका इंतजार खत्म हुआ.
हाँ, इंतजार खत्म हो गया. पूरा बर्फ गिर रहा है.
तो ठीक है. कितना ज़्यादा मुझे कितना चाहिए ये दे जाए.
ये पिछले मंथ में टैक्सी में गया था कार में, जैसे ही ओपन हुआ रोड.
अच्छा.
So we stopped the bus before reaching Tanglangla Pass, and the snowfall is happening over this place. So you can see this place snowfall, and we are going to travel all through this snow. Rani,
हेलो दोस्तों, आ जाओ, आ जाएंगे ऊपर.
రాణి ఏం చేస్తాను? చలో చలో, ఇంకా ముందుంది. వీడియోలు చేస్తున్నా. We are about to reach Tanglangla Pass. Now there is no road at all from here to Tanglangla. This is one of the most difficult and dangerous roads to travel and to drive also. చూడు సన్నీ, స్నో snow wall. Sunny, చూడు మళ్ళీ చేతులు వేసుకుంటుంది చూడు. मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ ना, मेरा YouTube चैनल में डाल देंगे, आ जाएंगे आप. అదున్ని బా స్నో వాల్స్. We are about to reach Tanglangla Pass. It's snowfall happening and no road over here, and it's completely covered, and you can see the wobbling of this bus. मजा आ रहा है? डीजल फिल कर रहे हैं क्या? डीजल आपका नाम बताइए रवि जी. खुलवंत. आप? दीप. ఎట్లుంది ఎట్లుంది సని? చల్లగుందా, వెచ్చగుందా, వేడిగుందా? రాని
కింద ఉడుకుతుంది
సని చలి బాగుందా? We are somewhere in the middle between Sarchu and Debring. So this is the stop where generally buses stop and bikers stop for breakfast. So we are about to leave this place and we will go to Sarchu now. धुआं भी आ रहा है, हवा. खिड़की खोलो.
कमर में दर्द, जब कोई आएगा तब देखेंगे, नहीं आएगा कोई तो चलेंगे. देखो
बस ब्रेक डाउन just after crossing this breakfast point. Got breakdown because of some issue, so people are stranded over here. just after completing breakfast, we face this problem. Slightly raining also. The bus got broke down. Now many passengers, they are leaving the bus and they are boarding this kind of trucks to travel to Keelong and Manali. But we were told not to move because this is a Delhi bus. Until this bus goes to Keelong, the connecting bus will not leave to Delhi. So there is no use of going to Keelong. So these are the passengers waiting. So the driver has returned without any mechanic, but now we are going to take risk and we are going to travel by in this bus only, by this route. Now let us see what will happen hereafter. मैं जब तक प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा तब तक भगवान याद नहीं आएगा. नहीं रो रहा, अभी बोल रहे हैं ना. So we head. क्या हुआ? डिक्की बंद किया है ना? देख लीजिए एक बार. एक मिनट रुक लो. डिक्की बंद हुआ नहीं. चेक कर लो भाई. चलो डिक्की. डिक्की बंद है ना? बंद. चलो डिक्की बंद है. चलो भाई जय चलो. నారా ఉంది కదా రోడ్డు పక్కన. అప్పుడు చూడు ఇంత చిన్న దాంట్లో పోలు చూడు. కేర్ఫుల్. क्या हो गया?
ये दूसरा व्लॉग है और खाना है आता भी रुका है
क्या ट्रक खराब हो गया क्या?
भाई जो आए अभी स्टक में जो आए ऐसा कुछ
हाँ
रिकॉर्डिंग करें अगर गाड़ी में तो दोबारा कोई दिक्कत आएगी ना तो
रिकॉर्डिंग तो हो रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है
देखो यहाँ है चलो
हो गया ना हो गया हाँ चलो 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 हाँ? तीन लोग आगे आगे दरवाजे बंद करो भाई
डिक्की तो नहीं खोलिए भाई पीछे
डिक्की बंद है ना हाँ चलो चलो
चलो
हाँ चलो चलो गठबंधन फिर जुड़ गया और कौन आ रहा है
उसको डिक्की पूछ लेना भाई डिक्की तो नहीं खोली
डिक्की तो फिर खोल दिया है क्या
डिक्की तो नहीं खोली पीछे
चलो
हाँ डिक्की बंद है ना हाँ आहा, चलो గాడిదలో ఉన్నట్టున్నాయి కదా గాడిదలు కదా ఐ బ్యాగ్స్
रजनीशा वाले हो ना
बस वाले
मैंने रजनी सवाल
रजनी सवाल है रजनी
क्योंकि ये वाले थे ना मैं ली नहीं फिर
ऊपर खरीदने
सामने देखो चल वो तो दे ना
So we stopped the bus for a while because the engine became too hot. So they stopped the bus for 2 minutes, and from this point you can see the view. So this is my foot, and here is the view. If you fall, no chances of survival. I have to be careful. Okay.
थोड़ा सा
दिल्ली जाना है दाल वाला नहीं
We stopped for lunch before Baralacha Pass. ఎక్కడ పోతున్నారండి హిమాలయాల్లో ఈ పక్కన కనపడటం లేదు అసలు ముఖం ఎక్కడ పోతున్నా హిమాలయాలు మీ నాయన
శివుడు ఏమని కనిపిస్తాడు
మీ నాయన పర్మిషన్ అడిగినావా హిమాలయాలు తిరిగి
చెప్పేసి వచ్చా
ఏం చెప్పేసి
లడాఖ్కి
So we took a stop here for lunch, and we had our lunch, and now we are about to go to what do you call via Baralacha Pass, and the new bus has come from Keelong to collect the passengers who are going to travel to Keelong. I mean from Leh to Keelong. As you know that the bus got broke down. Now I'll show you the passengers are changing the luggage, shifting the luggage from this bus to that bus. Here you can see the left side bus has come from Keelong to pick us from this place. I suppose 10 or 15 kilometers away from Baralacha Pass, and now the luggage is going to be shifted from this bus to that bus. పక్కకు రారని రోడ్లో. So they are shifting the luggage. So the new bus started. We shifted into the new bus and now we are traveling from almost like 10-15 kilometers away from Baralacha Pass to Keelong in this new bus. Keelong, and now we are in Keelong bus stand.
उसमें छत नहीं है, आप अंदर आओ, छत नहीं है उसमें, ये 6 है ना, उसमें छत नहीं है।
PS6 bus.
नीचे डाला बना लेना।
This is Keelong bus stand and it is around 6:20 p.m. and this is the bus, connecting bus is ready to take us from Keelong to Delhi. So in this bus we are going to travel from Keelong to Delhi and we purchase tickets here again. We purchased tickets again here and the price of the ticket from Keelong to Delhi is 1000 rupees only, but the bus is looking congested, no space for keeping luggage and there is no carriage also on the top of the bus, and they told that tomorrow afternoon or morning around 11 a.m. we may reach Delhi. So this is the Keelong bus stand. 10 kilometers.
इसको देखने के लिए तो बाई रोड आया हूँ, तो बाई एयर में जाता इसको देखने आया था मैं।
రైట్ సైడ్ సరిగ్గా తీదండి Good morning. Today is 14th July 2024 and now time is 5:25. 10 minutes back we reached this place and I don't know the name of the place, but this is a place where many dhabas are located, and we took a break for tea break or breakfast. And you all know that yesterday morning we started around 4 a.m. and now it is 5:30. Continuously 24 hours we travel, and this place is filled with a lot of flies, so still we have to travel 4 more hours, 150 kilometers to reach Delhi.
भाई खत्म कर क्या होगा क्या? यहाँ भी भूख लग रही है।
We reached this place which is nearly 150 kilometers away from Delhi. It's morning 5:30 a.m. We traveled almost all 25 hours continuously, and now we are in this place. Still we have to travel at least 4 hours more. Nani ఎట్లున్నది nani journey night?
ఇంకెప్పుడు బస్సులో జర్నీ చేయకూడదు అనిపించేట్టుగా.
ఏమి బాగా దాదాపు నిన్న 4 గంటలకు పొద్దున్న స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఈరోజు 5 గంటలకు ఇంకా ప్రయాణం చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాం కదా రాని.
కొంతమంది కొత్త జీవాలన్నీ కలిసారన్నమాట బస్సులో. నాకు వాళ్ళని చూసిన తర్వాత బస్సు జర్నీ చేయకూడదు.
Good morning. Today is 14th July 2024 and we reached this place where the bus stopped, and today is it's morning 5:30 a.m. and still we have to travel 3 or 4 more kilometers because it is 150 kilometers away from Delhi, and the experience of traveling by bus is incredible, unimaginable, and couldn't sleep properly as we are coming from Leh, and this place is lot of heat is there, so we couldn't sleep properly, and it is really difficult to travel from Leh to Delhi by bus, but not impossible, but very difficult. You have to be physically and mentally should be very strong to complete this journey. Still we have to complete this journey. 3 to 4 more hours we have to stay inside a bus.
I'm not able to record the journey during night time because it was too hot and I was not able to sleep, so I was not able to shoot the video during night travel. And after crossing Ambala and we reached Delhi morning around 8 or 8:30 a.m. then we booked cab from ISBT Kashmiri Gate to Ladakh Bhavan. I already reserved one room in Ladakh Bhavan for our stay for only 1 day or 1 night.
We just reached Ladakh Bhavan, and after 2 days now we get a nice place to relax for 1 day. So this is the Ladakh Bhavan's guest house they have provided us for 1 day. This is the bed, this is the table, this is the view from this room. Suppose we have balcony also, we can go out from balcony. But outside it is hot, so not advised to go to outside. Just a minute. So this is the Ladakh room. AC is on. TV. Photos. Now we will take bath and we'll take rest. Sunny. Okay, room.
Finally, we reached Delhi from Leh. So my advice for the passengers who want to travel using this bus, HRTC bus from Leh to Delhi is very simple. If you want to have a very difficult and dangerous experience in life, then you can definitely go for this ride. Or if you don't want these kind of dangerous, what you call near to death experiences, then don't come by this bus. That is one aspect. And second aspect is the journey was too tough. You have to sit almost all 32 hours continuously. And the buses provided by HRTC, the first bus from Leh to Keelong is an ordinary bus, and from Keelong to Delhi, though they say it is a deluxe bus, but still it is an ordinary. The comfort is little different is there, the difference in the comfort, but it's not so easy to sit for 33 hours continuously to travel from Leh to Delhi. So once in lifetime you can have this experience, and you have to be very careful with the elevation while you are passing through this Tanglangla Pass, Baralacha Pass and other passes. Don't stay too much time on those passes. And finally, I can tell you, if you want to have a adventurous experience, then you can travel by this bus. Otherwise, don't take this bus if you don't want to take unnecessary risk in your life. Leh Manali road is considered to be one of the most dangerous roads in the world, and it is like not very dangerous, but sometimes when the road condition is not good and when you feel dizzy over high passes, it feels like why should we take unnecessary risk to travel by this road. But I can give you a final suggestion that once in a lifetime you should experience traveling by this road, and that too on an ordinary bus, because no other experience of traveling can beat this experience.